When you think of a 1951 Mercury, you think of the lead sled customs. Well, this right here, this is the most expensive Mercury had to offer in 1951. It's a two-door woody station wagon. This is real lumber. This isn't a laminate or a sticker. Real lumber on the side, three-row seating. When you think of a woody, you think of beach, surfboard, you think of fun, you think of resorts. That's what makes these cars so intriguing. They're just lots of fun. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can look at pictures top to bottom, read the information. That's where you'll find a price tag with an easy monthly payment. And there's a buy it now button. If you really like a car, I strongly suggest you hit that button before someone beats you to it. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon. You'll be notified when the new ones are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, you think of Beach Boys too when you see a Woody. So anyway, the wood looks to be in very good shape. It has a nice clear coat on it, very glossy. Overall looks solid. I'm not an expert on this stuff. There's little imperfections here and there, but I mean, it looks all solid and strong and good. And again, it has a very nice clear coat on it. Looks beautiful. All this is in really nice shape. All looks solid. This corner, now the clear is delaminated a little bit, but the wood itself looks really nice and strong. We'll open the tailgate in a little bit, but you got the Continental kit. There is actually a tire in here for the spare. Has a locking gas cap, but all the metal, all this metal looks really nice. Looks like it lines up square. I don't see rust or damage or bubbles at all. Now the wood on this side, also just like the other side, nice, clear, shiny finish, and the wood looks to be in really good, solid condition to me. And then the body itself too, the rocker panels, the fenders, the roof is real straight. All the metal is really straight, fits very nicely. Yeah, nice, solid, clean car. It's from California. We actually have a folder full of maintenance records going back to 1989. One guy owned it for 25 years in California, sold it to a guy in Arizona. We recently acquired it from a collector we've been doing business with. He just likes to trade off every once in a while, so that's how we acquired the car. It's repainted its original color. I think it's Tacoma Cream. Not 100% sure on the name, but I'll double check that. Very smooth, glossy. It's not cracked. It's not chipped or scratched. Well, here's a chip on the inside edge of the hood and one that's touched up right here and up in the middle. So along the edges, there's a few touch-ups. I like the top of the antenna here. That's cool. The mirrors look new. A little bit of clear coat's peeled off right there. Good original glass. This one slides open. Does have some scratches, a little delaminating on the edges. It says Surf Arizona. I didn't know there was much surfing in Arizona. Rear bumper looks original. It's got patina, same with the hubcap. It's nice, it's respectable, but it's original. Same thing with the handle. It's a locking handle, but it's original. Glass on this side's the same. Door handle looks good. Mirror looks nice. Got a real faint wiper mark on the windshield. It's sitting on radial white wall tires. The rims are painted to match. Hubcap's got a little discoloring on them, a little bit of age, original hubcaps. So why don't we open it up, see what the inside looks like. So I did a trial run a second ago, and this actually functions really well. It opens very smoothly, closed very smoothly. So that locks in place, and you reach in, and there's a handle. Oh, there's a chrome latch on each side. That's what it is. And then this swings open almost on its own. The weight of it opens up. And I like how the tail lights, they pivot with, so if you're ever driving with the tailgate open, I guess they're going to be pointing in the right direction. So there's going to be real wood throughout the interior. I like all the chrome. They've put like a carpeted mat back here so you can store things. And you kind of get a glimpse of the wood side panels as well. Third row seating. The seats were reupholstered. Door panels all made out of wood, all clear coated real nice. A little bit of cushion is gone, but it's covered nicely. Now the trim around the door frames, that's painted on wood. That's a little bit worn. You got a rubber mat down on the floor. I'm bouncing all over the place. I'm on the wrong side. I'm out of my place. So the dash is a real nice original dash. Look at all the knobs and chrome and gauges. There's a little patina, but it looks real nice. Got the painted on wood grain on the metal. And you got Snoopy surfing up there too. That's painted on. It comes with an extra carburetor, a shop manual, and there's some instructions. When it's sitting on the side of the carburetor is a lever. You pump it, and I did that, and this thing fired up immediately. Got owner's manual. The seats feel real good. They have been redone professionally. They're not wrinkled. They're nice and cushioned and upholstered, all three of them going all the way back. I believe the middle one does fold up somehow. I'm pretty certain it does. And again, wood paneling on the side. Headliner looks like that's been redone front to back. The visors are reupholstered. Nice original steering wheel. Manual three-speed shift on the column. Has an overdrive as well. Interior lights work down by the kick panels. So it's a flathead V8. I believe that would be a 255 flathead. I was reading the Mercury had a little more horsepower than the Ford. It does have a set of custom coated headers on there. I like it's very clean and painted. All the lug nuts, head bolts are all polished. The spark plugs look new. The wires look new. Carburetor, air cleaner system, all that looks real nice. Generator was rebuilt. Got polished tubes. The radiator was rebuilt. It's a 6-volt system. Everything in here just looks proper, looks clean. Wiring looks nice. Everything looks authentic. The motor looks exceptionally clean. All right, so the tailgate goes up real nice and easy. Latch is easy. No issues with that. So underneath the car looked to be rock solid. The floors, clean metal. They looked to be original. I didn't see patches or rust. So that part of it looked really good. It's been maintained as needed. Back in 2015, there was like $7,800 invoice for just a lot of miscellaneous stuff and just all sorts of receipts going back to 1989. It is a 3-speed overdrive that was overhauled. I don't remember how many years ago, but it was done about 15 years ago, I believe it was. Clutch was redone. It has a dual exhaust system that looks pretty recent with the Smithy, like glass pack style old vintage mufflers. Drum brakes at all 4 wheels. You have to have the hood latch pulled out when you close it. Front end components look clean. You know, they're not some old car just caked with grease and rust. I mean, the parts look nice. Bottom of the motor is clean. So yeah, underneath there just looks very respectable, maintained as needed. Go to volocars.com, talk to the salesman, help get your questions answered, like how do you get this delivered to your door? How do you finance it? And if you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be notified when the next video is posted. Thanks for watching.